Okay guys, so I just recorded a whole intro only to realize I did not press record. So I basically have to do it all over again. So what's up guys, it's again Shakira, and today I am back with another video. I have to work on that intro, but we'll just roll with that for now. You guys are seeing more of my background because I'm more closer to the window to get the natural light, because I'm actually recording very late. It's after 12, so I have a very short time to try and get as much done as possible before I can record because of the lighting. This table, I want to put this white. I already sanded the top of it, that's why it is looking like this, but just pretend they're not there. I don't have the energy to actually move it out of this room right now, so you guys just have to work with that. And that's a wig you're kind of seeing right there, but you guys are not here for this. You guys are here for my hairstyles. I am using my phone to record still. I'm just not gonna have it in my ears because that video I did not really like how it was looking. So hopefully I'm speaking loud enough so you guys can actually hear what I'm saying, and you guys might see me looking in two different directions. On my left, you guys might see it as my right, I'm not sure. I have my tablet, which allows me to see what you guys are seeing, because my flip out screen is too small sometimes. I'm not sure like if I'm in frame, if the light is too dark or whatnot. And then on my right is my mirror, so I will be looking at both directions in this video. Thank you guys who commented on my last video with me actually speaking. You guys made me feel a bit more confident. That is why I'm actually talking in this video today. I know I don't talk really loud, so hopefully I say a lot as well. That is something I realized in that video. I say and like a lot. I think we're already like 3 minutes in, so let me just go ahead and try and start this here tutorial. I'm actually recording videos for TikTok, but I know I will actually want the content for YouTube as well, so here goes. Okay guys, so I'm going to be creating a double pull-through braid, so I'm starting by parting my hair down in the middle. The section that I am not going to be working on, I'm just using a hair tie to put it out of the way. So now I'm going in with some edge control and a pointy end of a rat tail comb to clean up my part, make it look nice and neat. So now I'm just creating some smaller diagonal sections from the front of my head to the back of my head in the direction that I want my pull-through braids to be, and I am securing them with rubber bands. I always make sure that the rubber bands are not too tight to cause any damage to my hair. I am not too bothered about the part for these smaller sections because they are not going to show. The smaller the sections, the less likely the part will show. The bigger the sections, it will look more like a stitch braid. But for this look, I want my pull-through braid to look seamless, so I'm doing it as small as I possibly can. And like I said, the parting does not matter unless you want it to look like a stitch braid. Someone had asked me why I twist the ends of my pull-through braid, so right now I'm just showing you guys exactly why and how it looks when I do not twist the ends of my hair. For me, it doesn't look cute enough, it doesn't look neat enough. So what I did, I just continued creating the smaller sections until I got to the end or the back of my head, and then the smaller section I split them into two and I twist the ends of my hair, just like what I did in a previous video when I did my halo braid. So now that all of my hair is twisted up, I'm going to create my poultry braid. I'm not going to go in depth into the explanation because I already have a video up where I went step by step explaining the concept of a poultry braid for you guys. So I will leave it in the cards and also in my description bar so you guys can check it out. But you can just watch and follow along what I do because I did not speed up this section too much. So when you get farther down into your poultry braids, depending on how long or how short your hair is, you might notice you have some short ends and some long ends. So what I do, I usually just loose them and twist them all up together to create back my two individual twists. So I'm just going to continue creating my poultry braid until I get to the end. And when I get to the end, I'm just going to use a rubber band and tie them off all together. So when you are finished creating your first poultry braid, you're going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going back and I'm fluffing out my poultry braid a bit, but you have to be careful with this section and do it in stages because you do not want to pull your hair out. So now that I am finished creating my double poultry braid, I'm just going to give it the Shakeira touch to take this hairstyle to another level by just doing some simple stuff like adding gel to the edges and to my pigtails, pinning up the back of my hair, and I have some hair decoration that I'm just going to add just to give this hairstyle a very cute and elegant look. Please feel free to customize this hairstyle to suit you, to fit your personality. You can add whatever hair jewelry or hair decorations that you like. And this is the final look, guys. I really hope you like it. This tutorial was actually highly requested, especially from my followers on TikTok. So I really hope you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.